Welcome to OSP by Apsex Girls Campus Jhelum. I am your computer teacher and my name is Seher Raza, and we are going to start today's lecture. Today we are going to start module number 5, that is presenting your ideas, and task number 1, slides, text and images. By the end of this lecture you will be able to use PowerPoint program. You'll be able to create a new presentation, insert a slide, add text, images, clip art to a slide, add design or theme to your slide, and then you will be able to save your work. Let's start. Okay, first of all you need to install Microsoft Office in your computer or laptop, and after installation of Microsoft Office you need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. For opening Microsoft PowerPoint, click Start button and go to All Programs. If you don't see this options of all programs over here, you can also type what you want to search, right? For example, I want to open Microsoft PowerPoint, so here you need to type Microsoft PowerPoint. So then click here, then your program will open. As I have already opened over here, this is how the interface looks like. Here there are different tabs that gives you different options like File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View, right? Okay, let's start our work. If you want to create a new slide, go to File, New and Blank Presentation. This is how the first slide looks like. First slide is always a title slide where you need to enter the title of your presentation. For example, the title of your presentation is My First Presentation. Now the subtitle is, you can add any subtitle, like for example project. Now if you want to format this, you need to select the text, and if you want to change the font family, you can change. It depends upon your own desire, like this. If I want to change the color, I can change the color of my presentation. I can make it bold, I can make it underline or italic, from this italic and underline. It depends upon how I want to present my presentation. Now if I want to change the color, change the size, can change the size, make it bold, anything I can do. It depends upon my desire. Now here on the left side there are the panels, like you see the column panel here. If I want to insert a new slide, like for example new slide, all the slides that we insert will be shown here. I can insert any slide or you can delete any slide. For example, if you see that this slide is no longer in use and this is useless one, you can delete it by right clicking and go to delete slide. See, it has been deleted. Now students, if you want to enter a new slide, you can go to new slide. If just click on the little arrow, now there are the different layouts of the slides being given. You can choose any layout based upon your data what you want to present, because all the data in the Microsoft PowerPoint is presented in a certain layout. For example, first slide is always a title slide, so insert a title slide. Second can be title and content, or to content. If you want to compare between two things, you can choose comparison, right? It depends upon what you want to show, so choose it very carefully. Choose the slides layout very carefully. For now the second slide would be content. Now like I will add my introduction. and start typing. Now this area is the text area, or you can add anything based upon what you want to show. For example, if you want to add an image, you can insert your image from here. Go to insert picture. Now choose the pictures that are already saved. Let me see if I have some pictures. I don't think so. Right. So I have selected and inserted this picture. Now I can modify the picture, double click and change the border. It depends upon how I want to insert the picture. This is how we insert picture in our slide. Now go to home, then next slide. See, next slide is comparison. When you want to compare two things, you can do comparison. So this was the short introduction of Microsoft PowerPoint. What you have to do is to install the Microsoft Office and start working on Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you have to create a small presentation including 4 to 5 slides and send that to me, right? And you can